Hello everyone, welcome back to our EasySolar tutorial series. We previously showed you how to create a project, design a solar system using Google Maps, or a photo. If you missed that, be sure to click the link in the description to watch it, since this video is a follow-up to that. Without further ado, let's continue the series with the next tutorial. Valuation. Previously, we finished with a project of a flat roof installation. Click here to open Valuation section. As you can see, since we added our panels to a price list in the previous step, we already have them in our valuation. We can add more valuation positions like inverters and other objects. Click here to add an inverter. You can either use a global product catalog or add your own model. We will be adding our inverter with added price to the local price list to keep it saved for the next project. You can repeat this process for other components where you can add things like cables, assembly elements, and other things. Some clients prefer to have a simplified valuation. That includes a per kilowatt-hour price. Click here and then input the price. You can also click here to add tax or a discount. Once done, you can click here to save. Analysis. In this step, we're going to set the required parameters for solar calculation. First, let's start by inputting your monthly electricity bill. Next, adjust the price of electricity, projected annual price increase of electricity, and then profile of energy consumption. Move this slider to the right if your client uses more energy during the day, or to the left if it's the opposite. Next, click on the Analysis Model button. Here, we prepared for you plenty of analysis models for many countries. If none of those models fits your scenario, then click the plus button to add your own model. This form should be filled according to your country's solar policies. For example, in Poland, we use a net billing, which means that solar owners are getting money for energy fed back to the grid according to current energy prices. Click Add to proceed. Once added, you can use this newly created model in future projects. Credit or leasing is an optional section where you add potential loan to our calculation. Fill the term of loan and rate of interest fields, and adjust the contribution ratio if you wish to. Note that both cash flow and production and consumption charts update dynamically as you make changes. Click Save to finish the analysis. PDF offer. Now it's time for the last step, generating a PDF offer. Click here to automatically generate it. As you can see, everything is already set up. Now it's time to flare it up a bit. You can, for example, click on Branding Settings to adjust colors to fit your company branding. You can also replace a background photo and edit the text. Once you are satisfied with the looks, you can save it as a template by giving it a name and clicking the floppy disk icon. Let's scroll down to see what our proposal has to offer. First of all, we can see our savings and energy costs laid down in a nice and easy-to-read way. Next, we can see the photo of your solar design. Scroll a bit further to see the components added in the valuation section, as well as the total price of the system. We also added a section that allows clients to have more insight on how much the energy they are saving with their new solar system. Here, you can see that 5.4 kilowatt-hour of energy we produced would yield a 2404 liter of fuel saved if used to charge an electric car. Solar energy is a green energy. You can also see what impact on the environment we make with our system implementation. Lastly, we can see, probably the most important part, the actual monetary benefit our clients get by choosing our solar solution, displayed in numbers as well as on graphical chart. Your proposal is now ready to be downloaded and sent to your client. We just finished the whole design process. We should also mention that we offer a free 7-day trial of our software, so be sure to check the description for a registration link. After you make an account, you can now repeat everything we learned in this tutorial. There are, however, still many things that we didn't show to you that can possibly be worth your attention. So, if you want to learn on how to manage your team, analyze their performance, and learn the best sale practices, be sure to drop a subscribe and ring the bell icon to be notified when we are going to release a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you for the next one.